Idaho students are taking the spotlight. Students from Wilder, Melba, and Notus are among those who helped create what the executive producer says is the first feature-length animated movie produced by students.
I feel very proud of myself and very happy that we have done this.
This is the premiere of the movie, The WonderGrove Wizard of Oz. Terry Thorin, the CEO of Wonder Media and executive producer of the film, says this is the first feature-length animated movie produced by students.
We all love cartoons, so the ability to come to school and actually make a cartoon, and then the ability to come to school and make a movie based upon the most popular movie of all time, that's unheard of.
With help from the Storymaker program, students were in charge of the animation, backgrounds, acting, and sound design.
We're teaching kids to write because if you want to get a job in the business, you have to learn to write. You have to learn punctuation, grammar, sentence structure, a beginning, a middle, and an end.
The kids also sang songs live to accompany the movie in real time.
At first I was nervous, but then I look around, I was like, you know what, I got this. It's very fun.
One of the young performers says she has always loved The Wizard of Oz, which inspired her to try out.
I love watching The Wizard of Oz, and my favorite part was when she got stuck in the tornado and she wound up in Munchkin Land.
It's a meaningful moment for all involved.
It was as meaningful to me today to be here at the Egyptian in Boise to see this experience as it was to be on Hollywood Boulevard at Grauman's Chinese when we premiered the Rugrats movie. Same level of goosebumps, same amount of pride.